Yeke elangeni lanamhlanje sinamjana ebusukwini banamhlanje sibawe ukuba nawe la sizokukhuluma ngesihloko engicabanga bonyana sowusifunyene ukuthi sithini. Isihloko la sithi ukubulalana kwabathandanako.
No isihloko
Yeah,
ngeke ngisitholileko
ukubulalana
angilotshise nami.
kwabathandanako. Manje bengingafisa bonyana ulotshise uzazise kobana uMahlangu ngubani begodu uyini waze kangani emphakathini for that singaragela phambili.
Okay. No angilotshise umphakathi woke boke abangenileko la. NguShadrack kwaMahlangu lo. Abantu bamazi, abanye bamazi ngomfundisi, abanye bamazi nge-businessman. He's a businessman too. And then again, I'm a marriage counselor and a counselor. Not only, I don't only deal ngama-marriages kuphela. And then ngicabanga ukuthi okuningi babu ulo kanje kwanele lokho engikutshoyo manje.
Mr. Psehla bengingathanda mfuna namhlanje sikhe sithome njengombana kulanga lokuthoma leZanonke podcast account seyikwazi ukuhosta abantu la beyingakavuthwa khona ngelimi labantu bathi beyingakamature and so forth. So bengingaba nesifiso sokuthi for that siragela phambili mhlambe ke usivulele ngomthandazo.
Okay. Angitsho ngithi sivala amehlo nana yena ngaboni ukuthi uzokuwavalile namtjana njani.
Mina
Asikhule. Yeah. Egameni elihle elingcwele elivela kuwekhaya ezwini sile Nkosi yethu uJesu Kristu babana kula sikhona ngalesi sikhathi. Sibawa kuweke ukuthi ihlelo lirage ngendlela esifise ngakhona. Kungabi khona abazoba zimbidla mnyanya mhlambe woke umuntu bese uya cooperate ngoba kunelwazi kumele ukuthi bese siyazuza. Kunalokho kumele ukuthi bese sikuzuze egameni elihle elingcwele elivela kuwekhaya ezwini manje naphakathi naphakathi. Amen.
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 Lotshise wonke umuntu okhona la ngithome kuPapa kaKamu ngithi bafu ngiyakuthokoza ukuthi ube nathi ebusukwini banamhlanje kunumber 2 sinophindi Khabayo mfowethu ngiyakuthokoza namnguni ngiyakuthokoza ngapho la ungakhona batsheleni ngiyakuthokoza begodwa ngiyakwamukela no Measure Davis ngiyanamukela ngibawa bonyana siragele phambili mhlambe sithephe iscreen thina sonke esikhona so that we can attract more viewers as much as possible. Mfundisi
Baba,
isihloko sithi ukubulalana kwabathandanako. Benginesifiso mfundisi wami ukuthi ungakekho usiragele yona ekutheni kwenzekani unobangela uyini ongakangaka. Siyabona abantu bayabulalana bathandana, kungaba ngowengubo abulala mhlambe wembaji, kungaba ngowembaji abulala wengubo begodu sibekele sisihloko lesi ampurusise siku-era ethile simuzi wangesiyabuswa lapha kubonakale khona umuntu wengubo abulewe ngesihlungu yeke sele kwenzekile lokho semsebenzi wamaphoyisa nokho ekufunyaneni ekutheni ngengibani ombuleleko ngombanyana thina sisodwa singakhekhe sibe nama-speculations noma mhlambe sibe nenisolo ukuthi ubulewe nguzibani kodwana ngaphandle kokuthi sibe nobufakazi obuphathekako lokho kusemthethweni okuyiphotho. Yeke kukodwa lokho siyazi ukuthi kuyinto yenzekako, siyayibona iyenzeka ezweni esiphila kilo, ngaba sesiyabuswa kungaba kuphi la sibona khona abantu kuthiwa ubulewe umhlalisana wakhe namtjana mlingana wakhe. Sidlula njani lapho mfundisi ekubulalaleni kwabathandanako unobangela uba yini esikhathini esiningi nangakhe ke nginikele umfundisi leli thuba lokuthi akhe kasindlalele yona asivezele esikhulukazi ukuthi okubangela ukuthi bagcine bese omunye uthatha impilo yomunye. Asikhulumi ngegender yinye la sikhuluma ngawo omabili, kungaba ngumma athathe kababa, kungaba ngubaba athathe kamma ngokunjalo. Mfundisi nginikele wena leli thuba ugijime phezu kwaso lesi sihloko.
Hello, angilotshise godi umphakathi. Babunjebe angithi mina kuwe sesizukulwaneni esinye la kunzima khona. La kunalokubulalana kwabantu ababili abathandanako. Singayiklasi mhlambe sise ehlangothi linye siqala mahlangothi womabili. And now it touches me the topic ngoba into yenzekayo into ke gade yenzeka mara bekuyinto escarce khulu mara isikhathi nasiyako kuyabonakala ukuthi into eyandileko you know we had a problem somewhere somehow. I think ku Facebook abantu bakhe babona nangumuntu owavela buchachalazi ukuthi yena ususa umuntu amthandako nani so asikhulume ngalokho nje basikhuluma ngakho lo nje kithi mina kaningi abantu they are very very bitter and now abantu asibi nesikhathi sokudila nathi umuntu njengomuntu njengushadrack angibi nesikhathi sokudila nami bese from there ngi-add umuntu empilweni kanti mina nginama issues, personal issues. And then now bese ke into kaningi ekhose ukuthi abantu bazibulale or babulalane asithi babulalane ku relationship kaningi isuka la endabeni ye-abuse. Abuse it's a main cause kaningi ekhosa ukuthi ke abantu bafikele esinqumeni sokuthi omunye agcine athatha impilo yomunye. I-abuse nabayichazayo bathi kukwenza noma ukuziphatha okwenza okungabangela ubuhlungu komunye umuntu whether ngenyama whether ngomqondo. Angazi iyezwakala na. I-abuse kilokuthi ke umuntu kunento eza kuye ecrasha even self esteem yakhe and into leyo ibese idisconnecta abantu ababili on any agreement abakiyo through that baba disconnected, they disconnect from each other. So now ithoma la wena babunje ukuthi ke asichazelaneni ukuthi ke sinenhlobonyana eziningi zama-abuse although ngingeke ngingene kizo zonke but ke ngizokungena lapha nalapha kizo ukuthi ke sikhona ukuba ne-clarity the most khuluma esazi ukuthi sidila nento enjani. Angithome ngaleyo kuthoma ekuyi-emotional abuse, uku-abuse umuntu ngemizwa. Kaningi ama-relationship amaningi they are suffering from emotional abuse. Emotional abuse you cannot prove, sometimes you cannot prove ukuthi umuntu lo uyangilimaza imizwa. Angazi uyangithola na unami musa
Ngilalela.
yeah uthi umuntu lo uyangilimaza ngemizwa may not be touching but the words that person azikhulumako komunye amezwi awakhulumayo komunye umuntu ithoma lapho and then from there uthole khona ukuthi kwesisikhathi nomuntu ke ignoranayo ignorana. That is emotional abuse. Ukuthi umuntu athi anento nibabili nithandana omunye athi ukhulumisa omunye am ignore. That's emotional abuse. Ngoba into leyo iba ukuthi let's say mhlambe that other person wants to communicate something, umunye loya uthi no, ekhuluma ukuza ukukhuluma nebota, you understand, lawyer every time unama vulgar words, ama vulgar words, the things that you cannot touch, ama umuntu nakakuthukako izinto ngeke uzibambe, mara ingqondo nomphefumulo ama emotions wakho ayakubamba lokho, ngi-abuse enye efuna ukuthi siyiqale ekhona. Enye abuse kula ku-emotional, kula khona uthole umuntu wendoda a-dominant noma umuntu wesimame a-dominant ukuthi abusa khona kule relationship leyo. So kuyenzeka ukuthi kuthole ku-relationship kubusa umuntu wesimame, relationship okubusa umuntu lokanjiwe ubaba. So kaningi thothi ubaba lo indlela abusa ngayo indlela emotional abuse, abuser imizwa. So yonke into ayenzayo uyathreatenisha, sometimes nangesintu our traditional men bayazithola kaningi bakulento leyo ngenxa yokuprotect isintu sethu, kanti sekuba emotional abuse. Uthola umuntu wakhona umuntu omanipulative, umuntu othanda ukuba aggressive but passively so, uyalwa mara inga akalwi. Every time uzithola usesimeni sokuthi awuzazi ukuthi right noma wrong kuye. It's good at criticizing you, it's good at isolating himself in your presence. Into leyo iyodwa, it's emotional abuse. Umuntu wakhona every time ukwenza ukuthi ufeel guilty, umuntu wakhona ukwenza ukuthi ube nokusaba emotionally, so kwenza ukuthi ube nokusaba, umsabe umuntu loyo. That is emotion. So every time wenza ukuthi wena ufile uzinyazo, ufile ishame, uhlazo, so ma wenza iphutha wenza sure ukuthi wena ufile uhlazo, that's emotional abuse. All right, and then from the sibene kunama abuse engeke ngene deep khulu kiwo babunjebe ngoba now they are familiar. Kube ne sexual abuse. I-sexual abuse ke yona ikhamba khulu ne physical abuse. Iyenzeka both sides sexual abuse, where you get ukuthi labantu ababili they are very violent to each other, ngale ndlela ukuthi omunye even at some other point uzithola angena emsemeni nomunye ngaphandle kwe-agreement, under the name yokuthi siyathandana. So now lomunye angathula always angatsho lutho kanti uya-abuseka. Omunye i-abuse yakhona ngile ngizwe iveke pheleko umfundisi uHappy athi singadimani enye kuyi-abuse leyo, ukuthi umuntu athi awuyitholi into leya wena ungaka nginikezi in. So kaningi ilo kanje leyo iyenzeka, that abuse ikhona. Angifuna ukungena kiyo ekhulu, bese siba ne intellectual abuse. Ku international ku intellectual abuse kula khona kaningi uthola abantu banama boundaries. Umuntu wakhona ukhona ukugrounda umuntu, ukhona ukujaila umuntu. Ngenze example, ngoba ngithandana nami awusayi ekheni, angikufuni uye ekeregeni, angikufuni uye ephathini, angikufuni uye kuphi. Lezo the kind of things, izinto indlela akhuluma ngayo every time yenza ukuthi lo omunye abe jailed. It can be both, it can also lento yenzeka both sides, yenzwa bomma, yenziwa bobaba. That is abuse. And now the more into leyo yenzeka umuntu nakakubambe nge-intellectual abuse, into angekhe uyiprove ebantwini uma uthi umuntu uyak-abuser intellectually. So anything especially ebuya kuwe sithi umuntu ngesikhuwa sithi umuntu ubully ama-comments wakhe awodwa kungcono ukuthi akubethe kwesikhathi ufuka ngathi kungcono ukuthi angibethe kunokuthi akhulume. Angazi uyangizwa na, kungcono ukuthi angibethe kunokuthi akhulume. Bese kuba ngathi ke noma ungathi uya voice out abantu bakhona laba aba-intellectual abane problem leyo kuba intellectual abuse, ubathola ukuthi noma ningathi into yakhona niyayilungisa, every time he is one step ahead. It's easy for yena ukuthi abuye athi ngaqolisa noma ngiqolisile. Uma aqeda uyabuyela kulento ngoba uyenza very intellectual.
Okay.
Sibe nale esijwayeleko eyenzeka kakhulu i-physical abuse. I-physical abuse kula uthola khona abantu ababili both sometimes noma bobabili, omunye uphusha omunye ulwa nomunye, omunye ubetha omunye kanengi ngiyo evane icindezele khulu, kugcine omunye mhlambe seka depressed, sekane anxiety, sekane gulanyana kuninginyana kuye ngoba now lo muntu lo uba physically abused. And ukuba physically abused lokho kuyamenza nalo ngithini umenzi uyamenza umenziwa naye agcine physically abused noma agcine physically abusive.
Akubuyelele lapho mfundisi wami, lo otlorisa omunye uyamenza omunye otlorisa ukuthi
agcine naye atlorisa.
Okay.
It's where you get up.
Ngamanye amagama lo otlhorisako ugcina aba yiforomo yokuforomela loya ifoundation yokuthi sikhamba la.
Yes, ugcina enze aforome, enze another, achange i-victim iphenduke nayo ibe abusive kuye. Kunabantu abafunde ukulwa nama-partner abo ngoba ama-partner abo alwa nabo.
Okay.
So they've learned lento i-physical kanengi ikhoswa i-physical abuse. I-physical abuse enye into ekhoswa i-physical abuse, it's a substance abuse.
Okay.
Kunabantu omunye ngoba kune substance ethize, can be alcohol, can be drugs, la addicted khona. Lo muntu rehe up until angena kuleso simo leso salendo addictive kiyo uba is something else. Uzwa abantu sebathi omunye athi ungcono na ungakadakwa, ungcono na ungakayenzi lokhu nalokhu ngoba lo muntu lo ukhona ungena kulesimo sokuba abusive physically ngoba there's a substance ayi-abusayo. And kanengi physical abuse ithoma la ngoba umuntu akhona umuntu one low self esteem, and then ongana good communication skills, and then from there uma ngakhona ukucommunicator angibe ngelimi uzokuzwakala masinya athi ngiyokubamba iplug, ngiyombambela iplug, ngambambela iplug la ngiyabuya. Nakabuyako ubuya wenzeni ubambe iplug, nakafikako ekubambeni kwakhe iplug loya usemqonde ukuthi babakazi bani asikhulume or isithandwa sami asikhulume, loya akakhona ukuzi-explaina ngoba manje sekubambeni iplug, noma kabamba iplug uthi nangibuya la ngifuna ukumraha eplugini usije uthi yomraha, and iplug nakafikayo iplug alithi raha. Angazi zwakala kuhle na unami. And then now
ngikulalela mfundisi,
sinale on which ngokubona kwami ngiyo okuyi-cause in our days kaningi I'll deal more with this one. Material and financial abuse. Material and financial abuse. 99% of our relationships ane abuse ngaphakathi. Uthola ukuthi ikinga enengi ila ku material and financial abuse. Nayo ngizwile niyithinda iveke pheleleko njalo ngomvulo nanikhulumako nomfundisi okadamenyiwe kwisikhulumo sethu umfundisi weBisibanyoni ngimuzwa addressa athi ama relationship seka commercialized. It's an abuse. It's where you get ukuthi umuntu ungene ku relationship not ukwakha mara ukuthi kwakhiwe yena kuphela. So ama demands akhe ngijola noSibusiso ngoba akhamba ngeGolf 7. uSibusiso without iGolf 7 akaqualify ukuba umrwami. Sibusiso nawungana Golf 7 awuqualify ukuba umrwami. Angeke mina ngiphume ngaphandle ungijekele ngaphandle. uSibusiso uba abused agcina introduced ebugebengwini ukuthi akhona ukuqualifya abe neGolf 7 kuze aqualifye ukupleaser uThembi. It's an abuse. Angazi ukuthi ngichaza kuhle na.
Ngikulalela.
Uthola ukuthi uThembi wenza ukuthi uSibusiso every time uma uSibusiso afika kuThembi kube ukuthi nakangena eminyango ungiphatheleni. uSibusiso uthandene noThembi anganamali. uSibusiso wathoma wabereka wenza yonke into indoda efisayo ukuthi yenze uma yenzela umuntu athandana nayo mara now ekugcineni uSibusiso akasina umbereko mara uThembi demands ukuthi uSibusiso enze izinto vice versa. Kanti kwesinye isikhathi kunguSibusiso ungena ku relationship ungena noThembi uThembi okukhonako asithi uThembi uyabereka uThembi unako konke naye uThembi akafuni ukuthi uSibusiso aswele ngoba siyathandana. Angithi uthando lakhiwa abantu ababili. Now uthola ukuthi manje uSibusiso ama demands anawo kuThembi uend up aseka abuser uThembi ngoba uSibusiso nekoloyi kaThembi seyihlala kuSibusiso. Akusena umuntu one access ekoloyini kaThembi noma bangakathathani abafowabo Thembi abasina access. Akusena umuntu one access ngoba once umuntu angaba ne access uSibusiso uthreatenisha uThembi kungcono mina ngiphume ku relationship lena ngoba angeke ngilo kanje mina angeke ikolo yami ichayelwe abantu belo kanje. So what is yours it's mine. So kuba nento yokuba possessive materially, possessive financially.
Okay.
Wena Thembi khambi yokubereka na ubuye kubereka lethi imali kimi. Mara isikhathi lesi uSibusiso abereka uSibusiso beyangayilethi imali noma isikhathi lesi uThembi abereka uThembi khabangayilethi imali benza izinto nje kuphela bangayicommunicate lento le so iphenduka iba abuse bese uThembi agcine yonke into ayenzayo ayenzele ukuthi akaplease uSibusiso.
Yes.
Material and financial abuse is very very deep ngoba now abantu bangena kubomachonisa bangena enkolodweni benze izinto that they don't qualify to do. Umuntu aze agqoke nempahla angaqualify ukuzigqoka nokuzithenga ukwazi ukuthi loya omunye afile ukuthi no I qualify to be ilokanje i-girlfriend noma i-boyfriend kalowa noma ukuthandana naye. And into le kwesisikhathi nabantu bayayenza up until bangene nayo emtchadweni. Emtchadweni ngaphandle kokufa ikhosi nama divorce. So now kanengi uthola abantu babulalana ke akiyibambe from la angifuna kuyibamba khona la. There are a lot of abuse that you can talk about.
Okay, sorry ke mfundisi, ngiphakamisa isandla ngokuzwa uthi akhe uyibambe la. Ngifuna ukuthi njenganje ngombanyana isihloko sethu sithi ukubulalana kwabathandanako. Ngifuna sithome lapha ekuthomeni la ukhulumise i-emotional abuse. Ekutheni emotional abuse iyalidela ekutheni oyedwa kwabathandanako agcina bulele omunye na. Nenge
Yes,
ilidela sinjani?
ilidela njani? Or i-emotional abuse iyalidela ukuthi ababili abathanda bagcine babulelene, ngoba lo muntu lo wenza lento ichow le isihloko sayo sithi ungafeli ngaphakathi. Umuntu o-emotional abused ugcina afela ngaphakathi. Yonke inkinga ahlangana nayo iba kuye, ngoba he cannot explain it to somebody else. Bangathi no, bani uyangi-abuser lo kanje. Uku-abuser nje ngoba nangufikile wakuhaga. Ufikile wangihaka, nakangihagayo uthena kafika la embanje wangibamba wangitsipha, ngeza ukuthi uyangitsipha embanje na. Emotionally kunento ayitshilwe endlebeni engilimazako. So umuntu loyo uyafika to a point where athi ngoba lo muntu abantu they cannot understand into ayenza kimi, angibe nendlela yokumsusa emhlabeni. Kula uthola khona abantu abathandanako, ngoba owanjena kuna ama-case amaningi abonakalayo ngila umuntu osike umuntu umphimbo, umuntu obulela umuntu ngesigidi. Makunabantu ababulala abantu ababathelela inchefu, amenzela idina athela ichefu, amthelela ichefu ukuthi afe. Kunabantu abathengela abantu ngenxa yokuthini emotionally umuntu lo he has been actually she or he has been jailed emotionally. Akakhona uku-express ama-feelings wakhe, and ethandweni ama-feelings they are very much important. Imizwa phakathi kothando. So kaningi la ekuthomeni la ku-emotional abuse kula uthola khona umuntu athatha isinqumo esingumzwangedwa athi mina from now on into engingayenza damani kungcono ngimsuse endleleni, noma udade lo kungcono ngimsuse endleleni. And the only way ngamsusa ngayo ngoba abantu bakhona benza nokufa kwakhona, it's a well planned death. Well planned death. But usibusiso bekakhambile aye kuphi azikhiphile, nakabuya la marahwa swahlangahlangana walila ngokuchisa, walila ngani. Usibusiso walala ekseni zanga savuka, kanti usibusiso usele ipoison. And akusikaningi nowadays abantu bathi benza i-postmortem bafuna ukucheck ukuthi umuntu ubulewe yini. So emotional abuse iyakhosa ukubulalana ngaleyo ndlela leyo, ngoba lo muntu ufila ukuthi I've got no any other ways that I can fight what I am going through. People, they cannot understand what I'm going through. Angazi ukuthi ngikuphendula kuhle na.
Ngikuzwa clean mfundisi. And then mhlambe masingakhe seqele okay sexual ngibuye ngibone i-intellectual abuse ukuthi mhlambe yona ilidela njani ekutheni ababili abathandanako bagcina babulelene. Ngaba ngewembaji abulala wengubo namtjana wengubo abulala wembaji.
Yes, kune statement engisikhulumileko engicanga ukuthi singiyo ipendulo if usibambile. Ngithe mina umuntu owenza lento intellectual abuse kanengi umthola a 2 steps or 3 steps ahead than you. Ngenze example, mani bantu abachadileko uchate nomuntu o intellectual abuse njalo abusive onale kinga le. Now umuntu loyo ninekinga leyo eninayo leyo uyak-abuse ngendlela leyo, before ubona no into le angiyoyitshela, angiyoyiqeba ekhaya. Uyoyiqeba ekhaya uyiqebe emndenini ekhaya ukuthiwe kuzokuba no meeting. Uma nifika kulowo meeting izinto zichange, sekunguye i-victim, akusesenguwe i-victim.
Okay.
So every time when it's time for you to fix izinto, ukhona ukuthi eqe ngaphambili nakufika lapha kubeni ukuthi kosa manje nina nilungisane or uveze inkinga yakho sekuyatshentsha manje kugcina sekuthiwa no wena babakazi bani nguwe owenza lokho noma wena makazi bani nguwe owenza lo enze so u-intellectual he's too intelligent uyenza ke-intellect.
Okay, no ngilalela mfundisi.
So wenza ukuthi wonke umuntu abelieve ama-thoughts and idea wakho njalo wakhe more than yours. Kanti ku-relationship kumele wonke umuntu abe ne-right of their own ideas, of their own thoughts. So uyakusuppressa umuntu loyo every time. And then nanibuyako ekoloyini uthi kanti wena bozama ukwenzani because abantu abazokholwa. He continues with the abuse. Nakunjalo bese the next person ufila helpless. Nakafila helpless bese the uza nesinqumo sokuthi angimbulale lo muntu.
The solution.
Kaningi abantu aba-intellectual babantu abakhona nokuchitha khulu. Umuntu akhona uyachitha noma angabanjwa achithile uzokuba nendlela yokuthi I'm cheating because of
1 2 3.
Bese ke njoba chithile yena umuntu ona le problem le uma kuchithelwe yena the first resolution he takes is to kill. Into ayenze emntwini akakhoni yena ukuyamkela yenzeke kuye. Ngibone ngathi bophakamisa isandla.
Yeah, ngifuna ngikuzwile clean Machika mfundisi Bob ngiyakubona you are noted. Papa Kamo you are noted. Ngizokubuya kini mfundisi before we continue mhlawumbe ngalamanya ama types of abuse ngifuna singene kina kumbuzo ovelako la ukuthi now umuntu uveza ukuthi uhlala nomyeni wakhe nofana nobaba wakhe bachadile nofana bathethene ngendlela ekuthathwana ngayo ekugcineni kwelanga bachadile.
Yesintu, yes.
So sele bachadile ngaleyo ndlela umma lo kuba nguye qobe dry olinga ngamandla ekutheni alungise indaba ye-abuse ngoba ufila abused emotionally ngonobangela ukuthi kufika isikhathi la kuvuka imizwa la ekutheni lemizwa lena evukako ngubaba kuphela ongakhekheka ilungise. Ubaba akaphumeleli ekutheni amnikele ekufuze amnikele okumseme nangakhekhe ngibe pheqelezi. So now ekutheni kubhale tot lapho uyalinga ngamandla ekutheni uyamrabhela ukuthi baba namhlanje ngiyakurabhela khungiphe ngilambile into efana nalezo. Ubaba lo kuba namezwi abhlungu awakhiphela kuye ekutheni angikufili namtjana angikwizwa. Uyam-emotional what you call abuse ngaleyo ndlela. Kibo bobabili laba bantu laba kungagcina kufinyelele ekutheni munye athathe impilo yomunye na.
Okay. Yeah, kungagcina kufinyelele lapho. Ngoba ukukhumbula ukuthi abantu abanesibopho obabili bachadile. Angaze ngithola na. So now nabachadileko, yes, nabachadileko, one of the other things that angiyibeke nje ngidlule nje ngeBhayibheli ngithi iBhayibheli kukhona lithi khona ningancishana. Uyangizwa ne? Now umama lo angeke akafuna ukuphuma estradini. Mara ubaba lo ngenze ukuthi umncisha nje umama lo yena estradini uyakhamba ayoliservice. So umama ujailed ngoba into afundiswe yona ukuthi kwamahlangu uyokuphuma aphume ngithini sithini aphume asidumbwa ngibeke njalo uyokuphuma ngebox kamahlangu uzibophezele lapho umama lo and now ubaba lo ngoba sometimes I think babulo kasho banesikhathi ngelilanga sikhulume into lekuthi emtchadweni abantu abanye bachadile bangena emtchadweni mara bende bangangena emtchadweni they were pressing or they were impressing friends ukuthi I can marry that woman. So kaningi ngibo batho kaningi abantu khona banayo lento ukuthi ekugcineni athi ngikunenge muswena usiso wena usiso into leyo iyamlidela umuntu the next partner ekugcineni igcina yazi kunjani the best way kuze ngiphume kule nto lena ngoba mina nangathi ngiyaphuma uzongilandelela la ngikhona so kungcono ngimsuse emhlabeni kula uthola khona ama cases where umuntu uthengele umuntu abantu asitshela ukuthi uma umshado lo ngikaphuma kiwo I won't be able ukumbona uyamthanda lo muntu ukumbona aphila nomunye umuntu kwesinye isikhathi akubi one partner that kills another it's a partner ebulala lo omunye lo owenzako lo aphinde azibulale naye athi nasihluleka ukuthandana la ngamane sobabili sife.
Okay.
So kaningi ikhoswa kulokho.
Okay mfundisi ngiyathokoza sizokuragela phambili ngalokho ake ngivulele mhlambe uBob kuna something ngathi afuna kuyi-add kilokhu Mnumzane Machi
mfundisi kunjani?
Sithokoze mfundisi sami.
Apostoli ngiyajabula.
Amen Bishop.
Yeah, ngizokhuluma
Yes,
from a point of a person who
Mr. Bob?
went through. Yabona lento ngiyayazi ngidlulile ngibonile. Ngizokhuluma on not the side of the victim but on a perpetrator.
All right. uBob sizositshe simutile mhlambe inetwork isamhlukumeza ngiba wabonyana uthole indawonyana engathi ibasifuna
Nguni siyamuzwa
Nguni inetwork ihlupha wena thina
siyamuzwa ba
akachubeka
okay
ya ngathi ihlupha wena ngoba
Okay.
usemuva wena ubehind chubeka Machika
usesekhona
aka unmute
Ngithi mina ngiyathokoza bobaba ngiyathokoza. Apostoli ngiyabonga wonke umuntu ngiyabonga. Mina uma on the side ye perpetrator not on the side ye victim. Ne? I've been through the case le finally in my lifetime. Abantu uma baqala bahlukumeza umuntu emotionally, physically and mentally and psychologically. It has nothing to do with their partner laba bahlala nabo. It has to do with them and their childhood trauma. We understand? Uma mina ngihlala nomuntu ngithandana naye manje. Uba nezinto azenzako ezitrigara lento of my past that I'm afraid to face. Mina nginokugula psychologically bathi overthinking nginenkinga ukucabanga kakhulu ama overthinker. We understand? Ukugula kwami. Ama-psychologists have discovered ukuthi uBob bane-term labo ababeregisako ama-psychologist ami. When I went to therapy, bathonile ukuthi nginokugula of overthinking. Angazi igama lakhona balibizani and all that. And they said I must treatments for me not to overthink. Uma umuntu angitshela something, I don't believe them on what they're saying to me because it's my umguna ngathi kimi umfundisi ngizonginika 500 kusasa angimcall ukuthi uzonginikela because it is the sickness that I have. So ngifuna ukukhulumela kuma victims not kuma victims kuma perpetrators laba ababulala abantu laba abenza yonke lento labantu nabenza lezi zinto lezi abazenzako ebantwini abazenzi ngoba bafuna but it childhood trauma yezinto abadlule kizo. Maybe in their past, in their lifetime, ubabakhe ba-abuse umamakhe, umamakhe ba-abuse ubabakhe. Or if you may be right, but ekhaya kunomuntu bayamhlukumeza lo muntu lo. And now when they got into a relationship, kunama pains azange badile now in the past. So now they are going with the pains into a relationship enter. Never figure out they become abusive because of their past that happened in their past. And isizathu ukuthi benze njalo ukuthi zange badile nalezi zinto lezi ebebazenza. Mina mfundisi nginokugula uma ngikhala nomuntu ngikhala naye ngingafuna nge-100. Yazi why? Ubaba wami bekafuna umama wami nge-100. Ngifunde lento leyo kubaba wami. I wasn't aware until ngiye ukhanseling ukuthi mara lento le ngayifunda kubaba wami le ukuthi ubaba bekafuna umama wami nge-100. It is not a good thing. But now ngifunde kubaba wami for psychologically irregistered ukuthi you must call a woman, check on them, all those things. But it is a wrong thing because too much of a thing is bad. So what I'm trying to say to you, before ngizokubulala, before umuntu abulala umuntu, akambulala ngoba umfundisile, akambulala because umenze ukuthi kunezinto ene-childhood trauma adlule kizo. Before sikhuluma ngemuzi umpostoli, nge-emotional, nge-physical, nge-psychological, nge-mental, nge-financial abuse, all this abuse azisuki zenzeke mfundisi, zisuka somewhere in the childhood trauma. We need to deal with the trauma of the past. Ukuthi kuze ngibe nje, angina-confidence, I have self-low esteem, I don't believe what people they say. Zisukela le in the past. Uma ngihlala nomuntu ku-relationship angisamthembi, ngihlala noShekret, umngane wami Shekret, siyakhuluma everyday. Ushekret mfundisi, hayi man, ngizokulungisela imoto yakhe iphukile, idinga 10,000. I don't believe uShekret. Not because ngingamcall into ayisho, but it's because I've been disappointed several times for me to believe uShekret what he's saying is true. So namhlanje ngifuna sikhulume le ndaba le ukuthi as much as ama-victims are there, but don't forget ama-perpetrators, those who are doing wrong to the victims, ukuthi le nto bayenza because kunento eyabalimaza lapha emuva and le nto abafuna ukudila nayo, abafuna uyifeyisa, and now it becomes a problem. I-relationship yami ya-10 years, mina bengihlala nomuntu ntombazane for 10 years, kunezinto eziningi engizenzile kule ntombazane that were wrong. Not because bengifuna, mina I'm a loving man, but because of the childhood trauma that I face in my life. Ngiyamosha i-relationship yami of 10 years. What I'm trying to say to you, ukuthi as much as sithi labantu laba aba-abuse abo, baya-abuse because of 1, 2, 3, as aba-abuse because of those things, but kunezinto eziba-triggerayo, not lo ahlala naye, lo abuya kuye, naloya la akhulele khona, i-environment la akhulele khona, ngiye menza ukuthi abe yilento angiyo namhlanje. Akunamuntu okhula athi ngumtsotsi, wonke umuntu ukhula because kune-environment, kune-foundation that was said. That's why ngithi mfundisi, I feel sorry. Mina bengazi izinto nokugula benginakho ukuthi nginokugula okusona so psychologically. If I never went to counseling, I went to therapy and they bangidiagnose ukuthi hayi wena musunokugula lokhu nalokhu nalokhu kose sidile nawe. So what I'm trying to say to you, ukuthi not everyone that kills a woman ukuthi akamthanda, uyamthanda, but because kunezinto from the childhood that we need to deal with. Ngiyabonga.
Thokoze.
Yo,
Yeah.
you've said mouthful, Mr. Bob. Ngikuzwile mfu. Mfundisi, ngicabanga ukuthi uzwe everything uMachika uBob
Yes.
ayikhulumileyo.
Yeah, angithi uma
Is there
ngiqala ukukhuluma
anything?
yeah, uma ngiqala ukukhuluma ngithi ze mina I won't be going to all of them. Now get ukuthi ezinye izinto umuntu uyazi-inherita from birth, uyazi-inherita from the family, uyazi-inherita from indlela akhule ngayo. Okunye it's a pain. Bengijike ukuthi lokho sizokhuluma ngako ekugcineni uma siyothola isolution yalento ukuthi how sifike njani lapho ekubeni omunye abulale omunye. And now ukuthi abantu we need to bona into engichaza ngayo ubaba Machika ayikhulumileko ukuthi he has noticed the problem. I've never touched that one. I wanted to touch it later on. He has noticed the problem. Ukuthi I have a problem. The reason we are explaining all of this abuse, ukuthi umuntu akhambe uyozichecka yena ukuthi why am I doing that? We are fighting with the results, but now why am I doing that? So ngiyathokoza input ubaba Machika asifakele yona. Thank you so much ba.
Okay. Before sivulela upapa Kamu ne ngiba ubuza la mfundisi. Lo o abuswayo namtjana lo othloriswayo ubona nini o nofana ngizidi ngimaphi amathwayo angakawaqalelela ekutheni le relationship noma lo umchado njenganje ungisa ethuneni
O abuzwayo o abuzako.
lo o abuswako ubona njani ngengumaphi amathwayo ekumele waqalelele ekutheni njenganje lo mchado engiwo ungisa straight ethuneni nenge ngiragela phambili ngokuhlala la ngihleli khona kwenziwa lokho kwenziwako kimi ngiya straight ethuneni.
Yes. Asikhulume kanengi indaba asithome kule answer lezokubamba almost zonke. Uma
Okay.
into yenzeka iziphinda and then uma into yenzeka iziphinda namhlanje ngiyambetha umkami. Kusasa ekuseni ngimi othi ngiyaqolisa. I don't know what happened to me. 2 weeks down the line ngiyambetha kodwa umkami. The following day, so now namhlanje ngimbethe ngepama, kusasa ngimbethe ngamraga, kusasa ngimbethe ngamdose endleleni, kusasa ngimbethe ngamkhiphela isibhamu. So zonke into eziyakho ukuthi into le iyathwelela. Ngoba at that time the more ngikenza lokho yena kuye kuqala ini kuqala ifear. U-end up ahlezi emchadweni ngoba sekangisaba, akahlalanga ngoba uyangithanda, uhlezi ngoba uyangisaba ngoba akazi ukuthi ngikenzani. So ukuthwelela kwendo ngikho okumele ukuthoma ubona umuntu lo into lesiyikhulumile mara naye iyaziphinda godi. So it's where ufanele khona ukuthi umbonise ukuthi I think kumele sibone ngamanye amehlo. Kumele into lesiyibone ngenye indlela. Uma babuya ngoba abantu abaningi kaningi abusekayo kuba ngathi kunento ekhona la emqondweni bese after few minutes into le yenzekile umuntu akhona uyabuya godi kuba ngathi uba sober ngazo ngifisana kuba ngathi uba sober. Umuntu wakhona uma let's say like whenever there are cases where I'm called tothi kunabantu akaningi ababetheneko baningi aba-abuse nayo whether it's emotional or so. Now uhlala nabo phasi as a counselor, the abuser always unale remorse yokuthi I'm sorry, I don't know what happened to me. So it takes ukuthi ke lo omunye lo acheck ukuthi lento le yenzeka nini nakunjani yenzeka kangaki. Ukwenzeka kayo ukuziphinda ngikho okuyingozi. Bakuphendula kufike lapho.
Okay, ngikuzwile mfundisi. Ngiba wasivulele upapa Kamu ngemva kwalokho siragela phambili. Papa Kamu se.
Ngithokoze baba Mnguni. Ngilotshise wonke umuntu okhona kupanel, thokozelele ithuba vere engiliphiweyo.
Thokoza baba Kamu.
Mina ke nizangibekezelela ngoba isiNdebele sangasimunye nokho. Istopha khona endleleni akubontsheba. Manje ngizonande ngimixa lapha nalapha. I would like to really appreciate firstly the topics that we've touched on. I've been sitting Rapapas here and I've been listening to all these sorts of abuses that Babu Apostle has mentioned. But again, as a man, and I also do not promote abuse. It doesn't matter what form of abuse, whether it being emotional abuse or physical abuse or whatsoever. But as a man, there's a lot of things that we are shying away from. Simadoda. Because if you can have a look at the statistics, most of the victims
who fall victims to these abuses bafazi in most cases. Kaningi, it's very rare ukuthola ukuthi kuthiwa umfazi ubulele indoda. I'm not saying it does not happen, it happens, but it rarely happens. And why is it so? It's because as much as abafazi, they fall victims to this kind of abuses, abafazi, they are able to sit and talk and discuss about whatever it is that they can be going through, which is very difficult for amadoda to go through the same processes. Meaning ukuthi ubaba uMnguni cannot sit nobaba Apostle or nobaba uSehla phasi and say to them, hey, phela ngale kwami hey akusimnandi, umfazi uyakhwela uyazehlela la phezulu kwami. Which takes us back to what ubaba Apostle said when he spoke of emotional abuse. Emotional abuse, ngifila ngathi it's the main root, it's the mother of all these abuses. Why am I saying that? Because if you are being abused emotionally and you are not being given a platform, whether it being by your brothers, whether it being by your siblings, or even abafundisi themselves, to come forth and sit down and express how you feel. Londo le ifana nesilonda nasi bathi pimple or whatsoever. Itoma incane ngithi bese yavuthwa and then in a few days nithi yenzani yaputshuka nje. The same thing happens when you are being emotionally abused. You tend to bottle things within you, which is very much dangerous because by the time uphuma or leyo anger iphuma ngendlela eziningi, which is why in most cases you find that amadoda abetha abafazi. Now uthi uyabuza ukuthi why, how did it happen? Bese uzozwa indoda ithi no, bengikwatile. But ukwata okungaka ekwenza ukuthi umuntu aze aphakamise isandla abethe umunye ngakwakhe kubangelwa yini? Kubangelwa ukuthi these people are not married and comfortable enough to can sit down and be able to listen to each other and saying ukuthi hey baba uMnguni, into enje nanje man ayingidluli kamnandi. Hey mama uMnguni man, into sona so singayithatha siyilungise ngayiphi indlela. Yes, there's a lot of traumas that people go through. Abanye abantu bakhula banayo anger, like Bob said. Abanye abantu bakhula nayo anger, but such angers tend to be a red flag, especially considering the fact ukuthi umuntu awuhlangani naye namhlanje bese uthi iveke ezayo ngithumela abomalume bayeza bazokuthatha. So umuntu, there's a lot of red flags that you see along the way, but uMnguni ngathi une problem ye anger. uMnguni nakabuya abuhicanyana unesandla, or uMnguni unamagama angasimnandi every now and then makukhulunywa. The same thing happens. A man can also be abused the same way. Umfazi atafika ngendlini akuthathe akubeke endaweni akuzizwe kangathi awusiyindoda. So in short, what I'm trying to say is that if people, even in marriages or even in relationships, can find a way of creating platforms ukuthi bakwazi ukuhlala phasi omunye nomunye akhulume amazizo wakhe, amadoda siyasaba ukukwenza lokho. I don't know how is it gonna be approached baba uMnguni, because abanye abantu, even myself, I find it very difficult ukuthi ngingasuka ngiyokutshela uMnguni ngithi hey Mnguni, hey phela ndoda nginenkinga, hey nangu umuntu wami indoda kunjena nje. Kusasa uyasaba ukuthi uyothi uzidlulele eKhawashi lapho ubona uMnguni asihlalele nabantu bakhe bazixoxela zabi indaba sokuthi akusikuthi batshela indaba amliya mara engimtshele yona ekwisipirilia, which also takes away self-esteem in a way, because abanye amadoda, they tend to do these things because uyafila ukuthi but ebantwini ngiyovela ngihlazo kangangani nasekuthiwa ngidelelwa mfazi or nasekuthiwa ngilawula mfazi, izinto ezifana nalezo, abantu bayongithatha bathi. Again, amadoda, most of them suffer from this thing yokuthi abantu bazothini ngami, abantu bayongithatha njani. You understand? So if more men can be comfortable enough talking about how they feel, nayo yoke lento that they go through in marriages and in relationships, then I think we can at least head the right way in ensuring ukuthi mhlambe we are fighting all these forms of abuses, because really it's very stressing and kuyathusa ukuthi every week kunabo rest in peace zibanibani nawuthi uyasilandela isitori sakhona kuthiwa ubulele mhlambe mhlalisanakhe, and when you follow the story deep uyothola ukuthi no, this couple emehlweni abantu they were a power couple, which has happened because now people like Mr. Apostle said, abanye they get married for wrong reasons. Omunye ushada ngoba umnguni ushadile, ubhobha ushadile, and I can also do that. But when you have to face the reality that takes place in marriage, so sele we won. You understand? So kuyathusa to see people that we consider to be power couples, mara behind closed doors, there's a lot that is going on. Kuningi that people are not ready to come forward and talk about. So if people can be more open to talk about everything that they're facing in their marriages, I think we can have less of the rest in pieces banabo every week. Baba Mnguni angifuna ukehla kakhulu nokho man. Ngiphelela lapho Ampura.
Yeah, thank you so much Mr. Lihong. Uzwakele mfo ubekile. Ngicabanga bonyana wonke umuntu ukuzwile, mfundisi nimzwile uPapaka.
No ngimzwile baba, angazi ngezwakala kuhle na lapho ngakini ngenxa yesimo sezulu elinako ngezwakala.
Yezwakala.
Okay, ya no ngimzwile ubaba. Kunento ayiraisayo ubaba la on which iyodwa ngiyo efuna uku-addresswa indaba yokuthi amadoda akhona ukukhuluma ikinga anayo, ngoba vele kaningi sinayo inkinga yokuthi amadoda avalelekile akakhoni uku-expressa uma angavela athi kunobaba umama lapha ekhaya uyangi-abuser, indoda ayazi ukuthi nayifike kwenye indoda how is going to behave. Mhlawumbe uzomtshela uyindoda nje u-abuzwa umfazi. It's one of the other things that even cause the killing, baba. It's one of the other things that cause the killing. Ukuthi ekugcineni makuthiwa umfazi angekangilokayet mangifike ekhaya, just want to narrate the story. Nje kuthiwa abathoma amadoda ahlezi endaweni abantu bathoza khona. So enye indoda iyatsho ithi mina nangifika ekhaya ngiyokubetha umngami, le enye ithi ya nami mangifika ekhaya umngami ngoba uhlala ngirasela right ngiyombetha. Uma bafika lapha le enye ifika ithi kumkayo, wena mngami ngiba ukuthi just umemeze nje kuphela, ngeke ngikubethe ngiba ngikubrashayo, umemeze kuphela. Lo baba lo uthena kafika ekhaya wezwa lo ngapha kulila umama hey yena wasuka ngapha lo munye ngapha wambetha umkakhe. Those are the things that amadoda faces, ukuthi asinayo babuntshebe indawo yokukhuluma noma yokuveza. I-generation esiphila kiyo isengavulanga imqondo up to so far ukuthi namadoda they are facing problems. Amadoda kumele akhulunywe, kumele akhulunyiswe, kumele aziwe, kumele alalelwe. So ngibona iloka inselela la babuntshebe ukuthi we need to be addressing that nayo into leyo yamadoda aqindezelekileyo in terms of voicing out. Ngoba mina ngine-perception different, ngoba i-stacks indlela abantu besimame babulala ngawo amadoda asikhona ukubaleka njengesamadoda abulala abomma. Kuba ngathi abomma bona ngathi abekho entweni yokubulala ama-partners abo, kanti bakhona kulento yokubulala ama-partners abo. So ngizama ukutsho njalo, ngizama ukuthi siyabonga ePapagamo
mina ngikuzwile sithokoza.
Siyathokoza mfundisi, siyathokoza. Ubaba uKhehla ufuna ukungena kukhona akuphetheko mhlambe ngabambuzo nomthana kufakelele sehle.
Angithokoze angilotshise umuntu ongene lata ngingakalotshisi ngilotshisa kwesibili kodwa akhe ngithi mina lapha ku-apostolic uthinta indaba enye ebengingakayinoti sele ngithe ngifuna ukungena akhe ngitsho ngithi mina ngasikhathi ukukophiya into ethabisa umnguni uthi uyikophiya njengobana injalo kungenzeka mhlambe ingangiberegela mina njengoba sowutshile ukuthi abantu nabaditshileko bathi nasele baphakamise khulu amahugwana bathi mina into efixa umtjhado wami kukuthi ngimfake isicece kungenzeka ukuthi ukumfaka isicece kwakhe umakhelwane kuyamberegela yena kodwana wena kungakuberegeli ingakho ilimi lesikhuwa lithi nalithoko lithi the person who is happier akusingilo ozoba happier makangakuwe. So now that is why nesikhuwa sithi nawutjhadako shada umuntu okuzoba mnganakho elokuthi izinto nanizenzako nizenze ngendlela efanako nobabili yokuzwisisana. Angibuyelele kodwa ngithi mina into ethabisa umnguni ayisiyinto engasithabisa thina emtjhadweni wethu. Isidlayela sakho nawusazi ukuthi sidlayezwa yini nangaphakathi komtjhado menze ukuthi abe sidlayela njalo ukuya phambili. Angispecify ubudlayela nokho sengitsho ukuthi umuntu wakho nali ukuthi mhlambe uthathiswa zizinto ezithize nakasemtjhadweni ungazilisi ukuzenza ngoba sele uzilisa uyam-abuse ngoba angasabi nepower yokuthi ayibuze into leyo kuzoba ngathi wenzani uyakunyaza or uyakudemota kilokho kikho. Okay, lokho-ke ivele sengingakayinoti angibuyele kile ebengiyifuna. Apostolic sidlula njani ngombanyana uthi ungubaba uye endaweni lapho siprotecteka khona SAPS ngatsho ngokugcweleko South African Police Services uthi ufika uthi uyabika okwenzekako hleze mhlambe ngikhaya isizathu namtjana isimo sikuvelela ngikhaya bavele bahleke bathi Constable akhe uzokuzwa Sarsanti indoda naye ayisindoda enough ubhalelwa mkakhe lo amthethe amrazana namtjana ayintombi namhlanje uyambhalela ufuna ukuthi enzeni azohelejwa ngithi sidlula njani lapho. One kwesibili kunendoda enomkhaba namhlanje hayi ukuthi inomkhaba inenyembezi ngoba kuthiwa indoda ayilili ililela ngaphakathi imikhaba esiyiphetheko le ayisikuthi imikhaba esiyifunako zinyembezi sililako siyazigodla sidlula njani lapho.
Alright, angibuye kuwe. Ya ukuhleka kwami lokhu ngirarwa yile yomkhaba and it's very very true. Asithome ngale yokuthi nangumuntu nakho siyaya le endaweni siyokureporta and then from there i-problem esinayo ke ngayithinda ngathi mina it's a generation that is not a civil, it's not liberated. Amadoda noma isikhethi at some other point kune era ekumele kube ngathi iyalungiseka. Now udlula njani lapho so utshilo ureportile police station ukuthi unenkinga. That's why sine social service. I-social service it deals, we have your social workers that are counselors. Kungakho kunabafundisi that are also counselors. That means uma uzame enye ingcenye yempilo la uthi uzama ukuthi ukulungiswa khona ungabutholi njengendoda thola ngiba ukuthi mina ngithi uzama enye indoda nayihlulako enye indoda ungapheli ithemba khamba uye social service or get yourself a therapist now qualifyako ukuyithola i-therapist so that you can be able to voice out ngoba into eyingozi khulu ngile ukuthi uyajika epolice station ungakahelebheki uthi angisho abafuni ukungihelebha na ufike ekhaya wenze into ongayiregreta kanti-ke uma uyindoda uma ufika ndawana thize ungahelebheki wenza amanye amano ukuthi ngingahelebheka njani. Angazi ubaba uSeka uphendulekile na.
Apostolic ngikuzwa moy ngikuzwa clearly
Hello?
kodwana ke angizwa
Nginawe baba uSeka.
uyangizwa wo ngikuzwa moy ngikuzwa clearly Apostolic akhe ngibuye ngithi mina kuwe ngingayenzi dialogue angenzi ilandelela mhlambe ngithi mina umuntu omdlula ngesteps esisodwa nasele ungazi ukuthi wena uyamdlula ngesteps esisodwa ukuthi yena uyazi ukuthi umdlula ngesteps esisodwa sele ukhofe out kuye indaba le iyokuba ngelinye ilanga ibe yindaba yokuthi kuselwa ngayitiye namtjana kuma inbox kugijima yona nasele ikuma inbox namtjana ikenye indawo engaphezulu kwamandla akho izokukhosa enye into enzima umcheckisisa njani umuntu ukuthi lo engikhuluma naye kumumuntu engikhofa out to the relevant person ozongisiza ngelinye ilanga.
Okay, ikinga esikhambezana ngayo le ukuthi uye emntwini with confidence umthemba uthi uyokhuluma naye lo muntu loyo na uthi uyokhuluma naye and then jikijiki uzwa indaba zakho sezikhamba konke nje. Ngiye ngiberegise nayo inkulumo babuntshelwe nizangizwisisa ngithi mina uma umuntu alahle ipampas uma inja ilidobha igijima nalo emall ulibona ukuthi ngela kwakho bakubuze bathi ipampasela ngilakuphi mara inje egijima nalo angekhe uthi ipampas la kwami. So after discovering a problem masofuna uhelebho asibe ake ngithi mina nginga-advise abantu ukuthi you must know ukuthi into ofuna ngayo uhelebho lo uyilahla ukuthi no ngiyayilahla ngoba I need help. So uma umuntu ayoyithatha ajikajike nayo azitholise amandla ngayo ngokwakhe wena into oyidingayo luhelebha awusayifuni vele kuwe. So bawuthehla kaningi into leyo iba isibambezelo kithi sonke ukuthi ngisakuyokukhuluma ngento ngoba what if umuntu loyo ayokukhuluma ngayo somewhere else, what if umuntu loyo ayiposta ku-status, what if mangicela ukuba nomfundisi ngosondraha ngimuze achumayela ngayo into leyo. Kaningi kuyahelebha ukuthi whenever you have noticed that you've got a problem, whenever you seek for help, you must know ukuthi I am going to throw away that problem.
Ay Apostolic mina ngikuzwe
Angazi
fast
kuyezwakala na.
ngikuzwe moy okuveza ukuthi inyoka nayihlubula ikhasi ilihlubulela ukuthi ayisalidingi ngikuzwile.
Okay, ngiyathokoza mnaka na uphendulekileko uRoxanne Ncema lapha enzasi uthi yazi mina ngikholelwa bona ayikho inkinga engalungiko namtjana engalungisekiko yeah
Ngisalele mina inetwork yami la ngathi iyangichiya.
ya mina nisangizwa
Nizwakala nobabili kuhle moy clean mina ngiyanizwa ungaraga mnguni
ngathi funa ukubaleka igezi uNcema uthi yazi mina ngikholelwa bona ayikho inkinga engalungisekiko inkinga ukhuluma ncence iyangichodela ukhuluma fear inkinga ngicabanga bonyana ufuna ukuthi umraro kuba sekutheni umuntu asabe okuthile. Okay, uzanilungisa nenge mhlambe ngakayichazi ngendlela oyitsho ngayo kodwana ithi la uthi ayikho inkinga engalungisekiko naku omunye ke nangomunye umuntu ungaphakathi kwe-abuse noma ngaphakathi kwe-abusive marriage. So nangaphakathi kwe-abusive marriage njalo akhe ngithi daram nokho ayisi physically kodwana i-emotionally mhlambe ne-financial layer sizokuchinga kiyo esikhathini esingacedi ihliziyo ngoba sifele ample 10 minutes. nangoku umuntu ungaphakathi komtshado obharasileko and then uncema uveza ukuthi akunamraro ongararulukiko mhlambe indlela umuntu namtjhana ubhibhu umuntu a-abuseke ngayo kunendlela engakulungisa lokho nangumuntu abuziwe mhlambe kungaba isikhathi esingaka aloka abuzwa indoda yakwakhe nofana ngumhawa kwakhe isikhathi esingaka and loyo muntu sekabona ukuthi njenganje ayisekho into engakulungisa konke lokho okwenzekayo kodwana uncema uveza indaba yokuthi akunamraro engekhe wararuluka kuliqiniso kangangani lokho
Kuyiqiniso babutshebe lokho ukuthi ke akunamraro ongekhe wangakhona ukurarululeka kodwa ke kuthatha ukuthi ke umuntu loyo o-abuzekileko loyo amakafuna ukulungisa ikinga athole urhelebho and then again i-step sokuthoma ukuthi nobabili nithole ukuthi ninenkinga kubalulekile lokho and then from there niyokufuna urhelebho olurehe in terms of counseling kaningi abantu abanzima bayithandi indaba what you call ye-counseling yokuya to ye-counselor ukuyokukhuluma ne-counselor on which kaningi kuba i-problem lokho ukuthi bese kuba ngathi urhelebho alukho and again uma nifika ku-counselor kaningi siba nifika ukuthi abantu ubezekithi ne-problem mara ngomqondo wokuthi ayikho into i-counselor angayenza ukuthi alungise inkinga yethu but siyile kuye now ngifuna ukuthi kuwe ukuthi siyadinga ukuthi uma siyofuna urhelebho whether it's ngilo muntu i-victim or sikhamba sobabili sinothisile ukuthi sethu kunale nkinga le ekhona kufanele siye ngomqondo ukuthi siyohelejwa yonke umuntu nakaya esibhedlela uzwa ngodokotela ngikhulumela into ngoba kaningi uma abantu bathi urhelebho alukho babutshele vane ukuthi abantu bayafika ku-counseling nabafika ku-counseling bafuna ukutshela i-counselor ukuthi I've got experience, I am abused, you are not being abused kanti udokotela akumelanga aphathwe yihloko ukuze apholise ihloko yakho akumelanga aphathwe ukugula kokuphetheyo ukuze apholise ukugula kokuphetheyo so ngiyasho ukuthi mina ngifila noma ukuthi ayikho inkinga engeke ilungiseke nina fanele nivume ukuthi you've got a problem or when ube ne-problem but again uma se-abuse is-severe sekudala yenzeka you really need a very serious counseling wena individually kuphole wena because you can be able to heal your partner ngiba ukuyibamba lapho baba nje
uzwakele mfundisi wami ngiyakuthokoza mfundisi asigijimele njenganje phezu kwe-material and financial abuse ekutheni yona ikubangela sinjani ukubulalana kwabathandanako
alright ngizoyithatha la ukuthi lot of people have commercialized their relationships depend on money so now uthola bakubeka isinaro sokuthi after a male ngizokwenza example ngomuntu wesifazane oyindoda kuyenzeka both side but ngizokwenza ngomuntu oyindoda ukuthi thola ukuthi omunye la kuma-partners he has spent a lot in the name of love and then from there uma kufika i-disappointment ubheka izinto ekade ziyi-demand athathe i-decision based on the demand ukuthi mara uSophie sengimenzele konke kangaka uSophie ngimthengele ikoloyi uSophie ngimenzele lokhu nalokhu ngoba uSophie bekawulo muntu odimandayo financially and materially and lo uyamthanda uSophie mara now and noma ane-pressure akavezi ukuthi ngine-pressure Sophie ngenxa yothando konke uSophie akufunayo uyakwenza let's make an example athole ukuthi uSophie uyamchithela azame ukuyi-addressa ngendlela ehle athi Sophie ngathi uyangichithela nani uSophie athi ya uyangithengela izinto mara lokhu nalokhu awukwazi ukukwenza umuntu loyo kanti une-low self-esteem yena ngokwakhe. Unalento umfundisi uBob akhulume ngayo ekuthomeni lapha. I-background yale ndoda le ayisireh, une-problem yena self le ndoda le. Kube nzima yena ukugwinya amagama la kunokuthi abone ukuthi okay, what can I do to get help kule nto leyo mhlambe enginenkinga nayo. Abone the best way ukuthi yabona-ke wena uyangidelela wena, bese from there aphakamisa isandla agcine afike la ambulele khona lo athandana naye, ngenxa yokuthi ucabanga ukuthi uspende khulu kuye ukuthi angadeserva lento lelo phutha lelo elizabe lenzekile ngaleso sikhathi. Kwesinye isikhathi kwenziwa ukuthi kube ne-betrayal kuma-couples. Uthola ukuthi omunye uthi u-investa ku-relationship kanti omunye u-investa somewhere else. Lezi zinto ekumele zingene ku-relationship ezimaterial ziya somewhere. Akiyikhulume nje ngenze example efana nale ukuthi omunye nakathenga inkoloyi kule relationship uzithenga athi inkoloyi zethu. Omunye nakayithengayo uyibhalisela abafowabo, wenza izinto ngomqondo ukuthi ngelinye ilanga singadivorsa, ngelinye ilanga singahlukana. You understand? From there lo munye acala ukuthi mina lo ngiyifikisa isikole wathengelwa ngimi nani. Mababheka i-material athi no, kunokuthi ngiluze i-effort engaka angeke ngisahona ukuthi ngibuyele kuyalo kanjileya ngenxa ye-low self-esteem, ngenxa ye-bitterness azithole afikele esinqumeni kuproduceke emedara kuye. Angazi ukuthi ngihlaziye kuhle na.
Ngikuzwe moya. Angazi mhlambe phasi etafuleni ngakukhona onombuzo na. Ampuri isikhathi sethu sikhamba sidliwa yinja. Onombuzo phasi angakhekeka ubhale nenge mhlamba afuna ukukhwela awubuze uApostle with regards to i-abuse elidela ekutheni ababili abathandanako ngabasemjolweni ngabasemtshadweni bagcine sebabulalana. Mfundisi, okay, usesibusisiwe la uthi enye into ithoma ku foundation yothando ukuthi niyakhe njani. Alright, mfakela mbono loyo namtjana iphuzu alivezako phezu kwakho lokho ngiyakuzwa uyezwakala sesibusiwe. Mfundisi, ngikuzwile kule yematerial ekutheni ilidela njani ekutheni ababili bagcina mhlawumbe oyedwa sekabulele omunye. Akhe ngibuyele phezulu lapha mhlawumbe engicabanga ukuthi ngeyokugcina ku-sexual abuse. La ku-sexual abuse mfundisi ilidela njani ekutheni munye angagcina sekabulele omunye, ongagcina sekabulele omunye ngilo o-abuzwa namtjana otlhoriswa ngokomseme nofana ngilo otlhorisa omunye ngokomseme, nakhona sinjani?
Okay, babuntsheba ngazi ngiyezwa ngisezwakala musine.
Kamnandi khulu.
Okay. Kule ye-sexual abuse iyenzeka ukuthi babulalane both sides. Kwesinye isikhathi ukukhumbule ukuthi nawulala nomuntu ningakavumelani into leyo ayisabizwa nge-sex, ibizwa nge-rape. Angazi uyangithola na.
Injalo.
Now uma umuntu ehlezi arape umuntu loyo uya-abuseka ngaleyo ndlela leyo and angagcine athi kunokuthi solo ngilimala ngale ndlela engilimala ngayo angimsuse lo muntu endleleni. Angazi uyakhona ukungizwa na. Right. Angiyikhulume nje kabuhlungu ukuthi kuyenze ukuthi at some other point ama-couples aberegise i-sex for punishing each other. Ukuthi ngoba awukakwenzi lokhu awukwazi ukulala nami namhlanje. Hayi ngoba ngifuna ukulala nawe nami into oyizwayo ngiyayizwa mara ngiyakuphanisha namhlanje. Komunye into lena ifike engqondweni ithi kusho kukhona omunye ngoba kunabantu asikafiki kiyo leyo ngoba bekakubehambe ngicala isikhathi esifikwa yinja lesi ukuthi kuyenzeka ukuthi umuntu unekinga yena personally ngifuna naligama eli-right lesindebele into yesikhwele. Umuntu onenkinga yesikhwele uma into ingenzeki ngendlela afuna ngayo ucabanga ukuthi kunomuntu oyenzako except yena. So into leyo iyakhona ukukhosa lokho ukuthi ekugcineni umuntu loyo acabanga ukuthi akafuni ukulala nami nje ngoba kukhona alala naye. Kanti loya uthi yena uzama ukumlungisa lo ukuthi awukazi ukulala nami ngoba afuna ukulungisa i-certain issue. Angazi yahlala na.
Yezwakala mfundisi. Ngibawa mhlambe abanemibuzo phasi lapha isikhathi sesisimanyile mhlambe niphosele msinyazanyana ngoba nezulu nali selithanda ukuthi lisiphazamise. Kodwa ngibona ababili mfundisi bakhwelile mhlambe ngicabanga ukuthi umfakela abawuphetheko engeze sawuvalela ngaphandle ngoba nyana uzohelebha mina uhelebhe omunye uhelebhe naloya kunomraro othile. Roxana ngikwamukele ncence.
Awandre.
Nihlwile.
Nokho hlwile. Okay, ngidose ngingubusehla phasi apha. Ngidose ngingubusehla phasi apha ngithona ngilotshise.
Sesibethwa nalizulu lapha.
Sithokoze baby.
Nokho man mina bengibhalile phasi apha ukuthi mina ngibhilivela bona ayikho inkinga engalungisekiko. Inkinga kuthoma ukuthi nomuntu uthoma njani. Yabona, so ngiphinde ngiblame maybe ngendlela sikhuliswe ngayo ukuthi bengingasi easy ukukhuluma. Nothoma uthi uyakhuluma kuthiwa abantu bazokuthina abomakhelwana bazokuthini.
Balalele yabazokuthini yes.
Inkinga isuke ibe lapho ukuthi ubusehla nakathoma athi kenge police stage usaba amapolisa amadoda ukuthi bazomhleka ukuthi mara baba nawo ungako kwazi usulilise mfazi na. Yabona, so inkinga kuthoma mara umuntu nakanesibindi sokuthi ngithome ngikhulume ngishare nomunye I think lapho ingaba better khulu. And leyo ayibambi even izinto zemishado konke izinto esihlangabezana nazo. Inkinga kuthoma ukukhuluma ukuthi ngisaba ukuthi inchomi zami zizokuthini, ifamily yami izokuthini, abomakhelwana bazokuthini. Yabona, so ngicabanga ukuthi into emele sigcizelele lokhulu kuthoma ekuthomeni ukuthi ngithoma njani. Ngithokoza.
Yezwakala siyathokoza Roxanne. Mfundisi angazi bonyana kunamezwi mhlambe wakho wokugcina ngoba nyana izulu selithanda ukurasa ngapha ngicabanga bonyana nangakuwe liyarasa la ungakhona. Amezwi wakho mhlambe and advices to an abusive relationships.
Angiyithome la ngithathela ikulumo yakasisi benginayo la ngiyihleli ukuthi ngizokuvala ngayo na ukuthi ke ngithanda uku-encourage mina ukuthi wonke umuntu in terms of whether niyajola whether nichadile it's good to go for counseling. Kubalulekile ukuthi nisathoma ku-relationship yenu niye for counseling. Ama-counselors akhona mara aberegiswa mhlazana sekunenkinga inkinga seyidlulele. Abantu bangena ema-relationships bangazi ukuthi how are we going to deal with the problem, bathandane ngingathi mina liphutha lakade ebelisoloko lenzeka and thina siyigenge yanje njengoba kunale zinto ama-opportunity afana la avuliweko. Ngithanda uku-advise woke umuntu mina uma ungena ku-relationship it's good that you guys get counseling, you get tips, you learn how to deal with conflict, you learn those things like foundation yenu ilungiseni from the foundation. And ngale ndlela leyo kuzoba lula soku-avoida into eziningi lezi esiba nazo ngoba amanye ama-abuse akhoswa ukuthi we don't know how to deal ngawo. Ayukuthi angeke abe khona but we don't know how to deal and asikhoni ukuyiba okay le sekuyi-abuse. Lo o-abuzayo akakhona ukuthi lena yi-abuse, o-abuzwayo naye akaboni khona ukuthi lena yi-abuse up until yenzeke bamthelela up until ba-out of hand. So mina bengizo-advise abantu nje ukuthi ekugcineni ukuthi we all need help, we all need to be helped. somehow. And then bese ngithi mina emadodeni akhona la asizwako namhlanje ukuthi madoda asikhulumeni asingafeli ngaphakathi. Bomma sikhulumeni kanengi bomma abavamisile ukukhuluma abanenkinga but amadoda asikhulume and amadoda kanengi uma vane kunenkinga babuntshebe uthola ukuthi babusehla amadoda akafuni ukuya ku-counseling umuzwa athi angekhe ngatshelwa ngenye indoda noma ngekhe ngatshelwa ngomunye umfazi ukuthi impilo yami ngiyiphile njani kanti kaningi ku-counseling akusukuthi uyokutshelwa ngempilo yakho kodwa yokuthathwa impilo leyibekwe la ukuthi okay singenza njani ukuthi impilo you bring your own solutions uma counseling but we just that they're going to help you to expose the problem and that's why you can be able to get into a core and then get the answer after that. Ngiyathokoza.
Siyathokoza Apostolic ngathi umtshebe ubanjwe network akhe ngene ngithi mina uveza iphuzo lapha lokuthi thina abantu abanzima asithande ukuya ku-counseling akuyiveze nayo leyo uveze ukuthi nangabe mhlambe kuyiwa ku-counseling i-procedure ekumele ilandelwe ngenjani mhlambe kungenzeka ukuthi akusimngedo semnyameni uyiveze ukuthi nakuzinthoro zona zikhitshwa njani nangaba zikho nakhona zikhona then igadango emele ulithathe kokuthoma ngengiliphi uyiveze ibesepepeneneni njengepahla embuzi.
Babusehla uma ukhuluma ngenithoro ukhulumela esayidini lami.
Angikhulumele in general ukuthi angithi manje ilwazi liyatlhayela indlu enzima itlhayela ngelwazi khulu abanye siyadinga ukuthi siye lapho siyafisa ukuthi singaya lapho mara ke asinalwazi.
Yes, no zikhona imsiza ezikhona ku-government where you get counselors akukhanselako for free akhona ku-social service akhona ama-therapist abereka under government in terms of kanengi ke unami ne hello okay
yeah
and then bese from there kuma private counselors abantu abafana nami at some other point kuba khona ukuthi ke kube ne certain fee eba khona to asithi ke ku session esiba nawo nani and then from there angifuna ukubeka ngikhulume ngelokanje ngenani ngoba it differs from counselor to counselor so unless uma kuyi-counselor elikhona eline opportunity yokuhelebha ku-government or ukuhelebha abantu elinayo lento leyo and then from there uyakhona ukuthi bakhona ukuthi no mina abantu ngiyabahelebha mara ngihelebha abantu ukufika la and then omunye athi no mina abantu ngiyabahelebha ngoba lento lena iyodwa yokucounselor it's a profession angazi ngibeka ukhena it's a profession imbereko so that's why ngithi mina so ngiyakhona ukuthi abantu bangathola ama-counselors from the government sector ba-check social service umuntu atsho ukuthi nginenkinga so ngidinga i-counselor it can be umuntu oyi-social worker or umuntu oyi-psychologist angazi babuseka ngikuphendule kuhle na
Apostolic ngikuzwe fast ngikuzwe moya akhe ngithatha itask le ngiyinikela umnguni ngoba ngiyacabanga ukuthi i7% ebeyilalele iyayidinga mhlambe i-way forward ukuthi ukusuka la engaya njani phambili ukusuka la mhlambe ukuya phambili ngicabanga ukuthi abanombuzo bangabuza umnguni hleze mhlambe kungaba ne-date ethize ukuthi inyanga so mhlambe u-Apostolic angazithopa ukuthi ngesinye isikhathi asinikele insiza namtjana asinikele information ukuthi sikhamba njani mara okwanje ngizayikhuluma nomnguni ukuthi u-Apostolic akhe asize laba abakhona namtjana abalaleleko mahala leyo sengiyikhuluma ngibawa ku-Apostolic angazi mara siyikhuluma nomnguni sibathathu.
No, it's okay. Ngicabanga ukuthi nasingathi siyachecha Ampuri indaba yethu ithoma ukuchisa lapha kokora past 10 past kuma live sesithome ukuwenza soloko sathomako. Yeke we look at indaba yesikhathi ukuthi mhlambe sase comfortable kule 1 hour 30 minutes noma we will push it to 2 hours now. Kodwana namhlanje singicabanga bonyana sizoyibeka la nenge uFrank kunganalo afuna ukuyisho ngoba ngibona uLande uyangena uyaphuma nenge kungana any person ofuna ukutsho anything, and then this will be the end of our life today. And then sizohlangana kodwa ngomvulo la sizobe sigijima phezulu kwesihloko sezekolo la sizokulinga ukukhamba nomfundisi omunye othile sikhambe nozobe ajamele zesintu elangeni langomvulo la sizobe sikhuluma khona ngezekolo siphandlululwa khona ngezekolo ekutheni iChristianity ithini nakwenzeka ngalendlela le then zesintu zithini nakwenzeka ngale ndlela ethile. Yeke nginithokozile bakwethu abaphasi nabaphezulu ebusukwini banamhlanje singithokoze kwamambala nawe mfundisi wami ekutheni usamukele lesi simemo sokuthi akhe sokuqoqa nganasi isimemo. Well ngebhadi bekufuze sibe noma ovela ngaku social development ngema social worker kodwana la angakhona usemalelani ungibhalele ngemva kobanyana ngilingile ukumkhwatha ekutheni uhlukunyezwa network bewangi screen capture wangithumelela ilogo isayikela zaba ukubamba inetwork kodwana kwabonakala ukuthi manje uyabhalela. Ngithanda ukuqolisela ngilaba bengibavezele ekutheni sizokuba naye ubhalelwe ngaloyo nobangela. Project, with your own experience, Apostle, what is the time frame to ensure if someone did receive help? Mfundisi ngicabanga bonyana kumbuzo wokugcina ovela ngaku project oqaliswe ngakuwe.
Okay, no, uma umuntu agowa through i-counseling, kuba nama-task anikezwa wona, and then ama-task adeterminayo ukuthi lo muntu uyaresponda kule nkinga anayo, and then from there usually it takes long, honestly speaking, kwesinye isikhathi uma udila nomuntu onenkinga kunabantu abanye engise-busy nabo. Now we are facing the second year, but ke ngoba kulula kwenza inkinga but kuyihelebha kubantu kanti so kuyahluka from person to person ukuthi i-respond kanjani. Kaningi siba nenkinga ukuthi ekuthomeni la uma umuntu ekuthomeni uthoma ukumkhansela unalento unga-understand what's going on ubona ngathi uyalokaje, then from there uma kuqhubekako bese umuntu uyakhona understand what's going on. So kaningi abantu vane sibanikeza ama-task nama-task lawo ngiwo abahelebhayo ukuthi umuntu abuye nasi umna nibuya ku-second session or third session or fourth session athi buya athi no mina mfuthi sengiyayivisisa into le and I'm dealing with it and I'm trying to deal with it in this way. So isikhathi it differs from person to person and problem to problem. Angazi ba utshebe ngizwakele na.
Ngicabanga bonyana uphendulekile.
Hello?
Ngicabanga bonyana umfoka Jack uphendulekile. Bakwethu angimthokoze ngifundise amezwi wakho wokuvala.
Amezwi ami wokuvala